If you're using LinkedIn automation, you've probably read all the warnings. Don't send too many connection requests. Add personalization tokens. Use random delays to avoid detection. But here's what nobody's telling you. You're solving the wrong problem. Every automation fail article focuses on the same fixes: better templates, safer limits, smarter tools. Meanwhile, there's a group of B2B professionals generating higher quality leads without encountering any of these problems. They're not using better automation. They're using a completely different strategy. Let me show you why traditional LinkedIn automation is fundamentally flawed and what actually works. Here are the 6 common automation failures everyone tries to fix. 1. Over-automation that triggers LinkedIn's detection. 2. Hitting usage limits on connection requests. 3. Poor follow-up that loses leads. 4. Using non-compliant tools that risk bans. 5. Automating before building credibility. 6. Constantly adapting to algorithm changes. Notice the pattern. Every single failure is caused by cold outreach at scale. You're in an arms race with LinkedIn's detection systems. Every tool update, LinkedIn updates their algorithms. You're perpetually one update away from getting flagged. Here's the thing. You wouldn't need sophisticated detection avoidance if you weren't automating activities LinkedIn explicitly prohibits. The strategic shift that changes everything. Stop automating cold outreach. Start automating inbound attraction. Instead of sending connection requests to strangers, receive requests from prospects who already know your expertise. Instead of crafting sequences to convince uninterested people, respond to inquiries from people already interested. How? Strategic visibility and engagement in conversations your ideal clients are already having. The results? Inbound leads close at 14.6% compared to outbound's 1.7%. That's 8 to 9 times better conversion, 70% plus positive response rates versus 2 to 10% on cold outreach. Zero ban risk because you're using LinkedIn exactly as intended. 30 minutes weekly instead of hours, troubleshooting automation failures. And here's the best part. LinkedIn's algorithm rewards this approach. Every 2024 to 2025 update favors authentic engagement and expertise demonstration. This is why we built ConnectSafely.ai differently. We don't help you automate cold outreach mistakes. We automate the inbound activities that eliminate those mistakes. AI-powered strategic commenting that demonstrates your expertise, not generic great post, spam, but thoughtful insights on posts your ideal clients are reading. We identify exactly where your prospects are engaged, maintain your presence consistently, and help you build authority that compounds over time. 0 users have experienced automation failures because we're not automating the activities that create those failures. The best way to avoid automation failures? Automate the right activities in the first place. Stop fighting LinkedIn's detection systems. Start building authority they reward. Ready to attract better leads instead of chasing cold prospects? Try ConnectSafely.ai free, the #1 LinkedIn inbound lead generation platform. Link in description. See you inside. ConnectSafely.ai. Stop chasing, start attracting, start free trial.